guys, so today's video I am going to be sharing new and beauty. These are products that are new to me or products I've tried. I also have some clothing pieces and just film a video about it, so I'm going to leave an card up. You can check my full in-depth review, but these are reusable makeup remover wipes. You can also use it for toner. You can clean camera lenses with this, a bunch of different things. So we first get this big face cloth remover pad. We get this smaller one for the eyes or lip makeup, and then we get a circular one here, and we have one for the eyes as well. So these are $13.50 for the pack. They're really great quality, remove makeup, so I will link my review up here, but I really like these so far, and I've used them and cleaned them. And I like the variety of sizes they come in. So these have been coconut oil, charcoal, palm oil, essential oils, and fragrances. I actually haven't tried this, but you can use this on your face and body. And it is a charcoal soap. These are great for acne as well as for your body. So I feel like this will be a great product. Essentials has some great skincare products, so I'm going to link down below. All natural with quite a few ingredients and great for your skin and body. So definitely going to give this a try, and I will give a full update in a vlog. From Bangkok Pants. They're made in Thailand, and they are these like super comfy, if you know elephant pants. I like this one. It has blue and red, and it cinches at the bottom. They're super comfy. What I love about these is you can wear them to sleep, especially during the summer when it's hot out. These are actually super light and great. You can wear it working out, I've tried, and it's actually been nice. You can wear it lounging around or as a outfit, and it's super comfortable, great quality, and just awesome to wear. And then I also have this pair in red, and this one has red and pink and a bunch of other designs. I love this one as well, especially pairing it with like a white shirt. I feel like they're super comfy. And what I love about this brand is every pair of pants or skirts bought, because they also have skirts, and so it's helping out. And yeah, they're just really great quality. They have a whole bunch of designs and patterns to choose from. So I actually really like these, and they're super comfortable, and I wear them a lot. Items to film with thrift shop hauls, so I thought I would include it in this video, but I got these striped pants. They have a belt loop and not real pockets on the back, but they've got some little pockets here. I like these because you can pair it with a lot of different things and wear it in spring or summer, and they're just super comfy and fashionable. So I'm so happy I found these, and I've been wearing them quite a bit. And then I got a pair of these low-cut booties. So they have a zipper here, some embellishment. They're actually from the brand Call It Spring, which I bought stuff from before, but I don't have a pair of low-cut booties. I have a bunch of black booties, but no low cuts. So I thought these two pieces go together perfectly. I can wear these pieces with so many different items. I will film that, but yeah, I love these pieces, and just a new thing into my wardrobe that I'll wear a lot. These vitamins from Gold and Grove. They're a blemish blend. I'm still trying these, so again, I will have a separate video. They detoxify your skin, improve oily skin. They have 90 capsules with organic ginger and turmeric, and they have vitamin A, C, zinc, selenium, and pantothenic acid, and a bunch of natural cleansing blends. So you're supposed to take 2 a day, and they help clear skin. I'm still trying them, so I can't give my full review, but they seem great so far. The only thing is they just don't taste the best, but if you take it with water, you get over it. Kind of, it has cruelty-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, caffeine, and non-GMO, and they're vegan, vegetarian. So I'm still trying these out, so I will have a separate video from them, but so far I've been liking them a lot. And everything I tried, some things I'm trying more, some things I've worn a lot. You know, I can definitely film one.